classic cars still, and we're going through the repair shop they have. If you buy anything here, they service it here, or if you have your old car and you need some work done, you can bring it up here and they'll take care of you. Just going to kind of do we ask permission to do a quick walkthrough. Try not to disrupt things too much, but yeah. So they got Cobra up on the ramp. Like I said, they have their cars that they sell, and they prep them, they check them out here, and they also go walk across the front, and they also work on custom cars. Doesn't matter stock or performance, they work on it all. They got a Mustang they're working on back here. So they're putting a massive mod motor in there. So that'll be interesting. Anywhere between dune buggies and Porsches. Okay, we're going to walk down to some of the other buildings.